Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about free online courses that are offered by Simplilearn. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So we all know that Simplilearn is one of the most popular online learning website now, and they are offering a lot of courses across a lot of different categories. So now they are providing some free courses for some cool trending topics. So I'll show you all the courses that are available for free now. So they have named this initiative as SkillUp by Simplilearn. So let's explore the free courses now. So click on it and you can see all the categories that are offered by Simplilearn here. Cybersecurity, data science and business analytics, AI and machine learning, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning, big data, software development, DevOps, project management, digital marketing, agile and scrum, quality management, business and leadership, IT, service and architecture. So these are the different categories under which you can get free courses on Simplilearn. So you can simply select any category that you like. So let me click on project management, and now I can see all the courses that are available for project management, like introduction to project management, PMP, CAPM. So if you want DevOps, you can go there and see introduction to DevOps and introduction to Git are available for free. And for software development, you have a lot of courses like Java, RPA, Salesforce and Blockchain 101, and you have introduction to IoT. And for AI and machine learning also, you have artificial intelligence and machine learning courses. And you have cybersecurity free courses as well, CCSP, CASM, CISA, CISSP, and cybersecurity for beginners. So there are a lot of categories and all the courses are available for you for free. And all the courses have a lot of content. It's not a half an hour or 1 hour course. All the courses have a lot of content. You can see here, Lean Six Sigma, Green Belt training have 11 hours of content. Black Belt also have 11 hours and Lean Management have 5 hours. So all these have a lot of very good content as well. So you don't need to worry about that. So these are the categories and you can simply click on any category that you like and see the courses that are available for free. So now let's see how to enroll in these free courses in Simplilearn. So if you go to the top, you can see here login. So first we have to create an account in Simplilearn. Click on login here. And now if you already have a Simplilearn account, you can simply give your email address and password and log into your account. And if you are coming here for the first time, click on sign up here. And you can sign up with your Google or Facebook or LinkedIn account, or else you can sign up with your email. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have created my account and logged into my account. Once you log into your account, you will be landing on the Simplilearn dashboard. You will be landing on a page like this. So what you have to do is click on the link that I'll give and go to the same page, SkillUp by Simplilearn, and scroll down and you can see here that you are logged in now. You can see logout. So that means you are logged in. So scroll down and choose any category that you like and choose the course that you want. So let me go with cybersecurity itself. So I'll choose cybersecurity for beginners. So click on any course that you want. So let me click on it and you will be directed to the course page itself like this. And here you can see the details about the courses, like what you will be learning and what are the skills that you are going to gain. And here you can see the duration of the course and the days up to which you will get access for the free courses. So you will get 90 days of access once you start learning. And here you can see why you should learn cybersecurity and what are the career opportunities that you have, and other FAQs are also given. So you can see all the details here. So to enroll in this course, you can simply click on start learning here and you can see it is available for free. So click on start learning. So once you click on the start learning button, you will be directed to the dashboard, and here under courses, you can see all the courses in which you have enrolled in. And you can see the course which I enrolled in here, Introduction to Cybersecurity, and free course expires in 89 days. So basically you have to complete the course before 90 days. So to start learning, simply click on the course here. So that's it. Now we have enrolled in this course, Introduction to Cybersecurity. And here you can see the course lessons, lesson 1, lesson 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 lessons for this one, cybersecurity introduction. Sorry, 5 lessons actually. And here you can see the course resources. You can download these ebooks as well. So this is how you need to enroll in a free course in Simplilearn. So all these resources are available for free, so make use of it. Not only cybersecurity, you have a lot of different categories here like AI and machine learning, digital marketing, project management, quality management, business and leadership. All these are trending topics, so make use of this opportunity. Take the advantage of these free courses offered by Simplilearn. It's really a good website to learn. So this is the content for this video. Simplilearn is providing free online courses for different categories that are listed here, and they have named this initiative as Skill Up by Simplilearn. So make use of this opportunity and get any course that you like. Complete the courses, but certification is not available for these free courses. You can get all the knowledge for free. It's up to you to make use of this opportunity. So I hope you all liked this video. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.